Flowers are everywhere. They brighten our gardens, perfume the air, and even give us food. But have you ever stopped to think about how these amazing creations reproduce? It's a fascinating story, full of intricate processes and remarkable adaptations. Did you know that some orchids mimic the scent of female bees to attract male bees for pollination? Flowers are more than just pretty faces. They are the reproductive organs of flowering plants. Just like animals, plants have evolved sophisticated ways to ensure their survival and propagation. This is where the magic of sexual reproduction comes into play. Absolutely. Sexual reproduction in plants might sound strange at first, but it's actually quite similar to the process in animals, just with a botanical twist. The goal is the same: to combine genetic material from two parents to create offspring with greater genetic diversity. This mixing of genes helps plants adapt to changing environments and thrive. In flowering plants, this process takes place within the flower itself. Flowers have male parts called stamens, which produce pollen, and female parts called pistils, which contain ovules. These ovules hold the potential to become seeds, but only after they are fertilized by pollen. Pollination is the first crucial step in the reproduction of flowering plants. It's the process by which pollen grains containing the plant's male genetic material are transferred from the stamen of one flower to the pistil of another flower of the same species. This transfer can happen in various ways. Some plants rely on the wind to carry their pollen, while others have evolved intricate relationships with animals such as insects, birds, and bats. These animal pollinators are attracted to the flower's bright colors, sweet nectar, and alluring scents. As they visit flowers to feed, they inadvertently pick up pollen grains on their bodies and carry them to other flowers, facilitating pollination. Once a pollen grain lands on the stigma, the sticky tip of the pistil, the process of fertilization begins. The pollen grain germinates, sending out a tube that grows down through the style, a long stalk-like structure within the pistil, towards the ovary. Inside the ovary, the pollen tube reaches an ovule. The male reproductive cell from the pollen grain travels down the pollen tube and fuses with the female reproductive cell called an egg inside the ovule. This fusion of male and female gametes is called fertilization. It's a remarkable event that marks the beginning of a new plant life. Alright, so after fertilization, the ovule undergoes a series of transformations to develop into a seed. The fertilized egg, now called a zygote, divides and grows, forming the embryo, which will eventually become the new plant. The ovule itself, you see, develops into the seed coat, a protective outer layer that surrounds and safeguards the embryo. The seed also contains a food supply called the endosperm, which provides nourishment to the developing embryo until it can produce its own food through photosynthesis. Seeds are marvels of nature, capable of remaining dormant for extended periods, sometimes even centuries, until conditions are favorable for germination and growth. Section 6. Spreading the love seed dispersal. Once the seeds are mature, it's time for them to embark on their own adventures. Seed dispersal is crucial for the survival and spread of plant species. If all the seeds were to fall near the parent plant, they would face intense competition for resources like sunlight, water, and nutrients. Plants have evolved fascinating ways to disperse their seeds far and wide. Some seeds have wings or parachute-like structures that allow them to be carried by the wind, while others float on water currents. Many plants rely on animals to disperse their seeds. These seeds may have hooks or barbs that attach to fur or feathers, or they may be enclosed in fleshy fruits that animals eat and later disperse in their droppings. Section 7. Flowers and us, a vital partnership. The relationship between flowers and humans is ancient and profound. Flowers provide us with beauty, inspiration, and a vital connection to the natural world. They also play essential roles in our lives, providing us with food, medicine, and raw materials for countless products. The fruits and vegetables we eat are often the result of successful flower pollination. Many medicines we rely on are derived from plant compounds, and flowers themselves have been used for medicinal purposes for centuries. The beauty of flowers inspires artists, poets, and musicians, enriching our cultural experiences. Section 8. The incredible diversity of flowers. The world of flowers is incredibly diverse, with an estimated 400,000 species of flowering plants on Earth. From the delicate petals of a rose to the towering blooms of a sunflower, flowers come in a breathtaking array of shapes, sizes, colors, and scents. This extraordinary diversity is a testament to the power of evolution and the remarkable adaptations that have allowed flowering plants to thrive in virtually every habitat on Earth. Some flowers are pollinated by wind, while others rely on insects, birds, or even bats. Some flowers bloom in the spring, while others bloom in the fall. This incredible diversity ensures that flowering plants continue to play vital roles in ecosystems around the world. Section 9. The future of flowers. As we face the challenges of climate change and habitat loss, it's more important than ever to protect and conserve the diversity of flowering plants. Their beauty and ecological importance are immeasurable. By understanding the fascinating world of flower reproduction, we can appreciate the intricate processes that sustain life on Earth and work together to ensure that flowers continue to thrive for generations to come. By planting pollinator gardens, supporting sustainable agriculture, and raising awareness about the importance of plant conservation, we can all play a role in protecting these botanical wonders for future generations. The future of flowers is in our hands.